make me mad. You, nigga that make me mad again. Okay, you. I'm a Southside bitch to the grave. I'm a real ass bitch to the soon. $1 million combos on Zoom. Get wet, I don't gotta use lube. Real friendly ass bitch on room. Popped out with a brand new dude. Popped out with a brand new team. Walk this milk good on tea.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Kyra here, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you don't have to be a breast all one of us. Today I am installing a wig for my brand Slayology Tresses, baby. All the details and everything will be linked down below, but I will be installing a wig from our Virgin collection. I just finished plucking it to the gods, and I'm recording for TikTok as well, so I will be installing my bodyweight wig from my Virgin collection. This is a 28-inch 13x6 HD lace frontal, baby. Y'all know how I get about my frontals. I love a good frontal. I will be switching over to a voiceover so I can talk to you guys about my brand Slayology Tresses, because I will be launching March 15th. Make sure you guys are signing up for my VIP Slay program so you can become a Slayologist. Slayologist gives the exclusive discounts, and they also get additional discounts on our special sales. Like when we do Free Ship Friday, they get an extra 25% off discount, or they just get extra $100 off of their order. Also early access to drops and products, because I won't just be selling wigs, I will be selling more stuff as well. Further I get into it, who wouldn't want different perks and discounts? That's less money you're spending on hair, and also this is quality hair. I would never steer y'all wrong when it comes to hair. Y'all can see my track record. I've been doing wig installs since I started my channel. I didn't like how wig companies were. Some companies, I do not like the quality of the hair, and I was just like, I'm promoting these brands, baby, let me get in my bag, let me bring some. Yeah, so we're gonna get into this install, and I'm so happy to finally be launching something that I put my all into. So let's get right into the install, baby. Yeah,
tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is in and out.
hey Bratz, it's Kyra here, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about Slayology Tresses. We are not no regular schmegular hair company, okay? We offer premium virgin hair and also raw 100% raw Vietnamese hair. Our wigs and our bundles are full from weft to tip, so you won't have any problem when it comes to thickness or having high density hair, because we coming with it. You can see it. Also, our wigs have the options of being customized by yours truly. As an add-on, I take the hassle away from you and do it for you, baby. I will bleach your knot, pluck it. Also, you have the option of getting baby hairs or no baby hairs, and the wig being styled so it can be ready to wear out the box. We supply luxury hair extensions. As soon as you get on our website entering Slay University, you are entering the luxury life. You are saying goodbye to who you were for who you are. Because this is not just hair, it's a lifestyle. We give girls and women the opportunity to exude confidence through their hair by uplifting them, making women and girls feel good about themselves. Because every time I come from a hair appointment after doing my hair, baby, I be feeling like I can conquer the world. And I know the price might be a little pretty penny, extra pretty at that. But that's why we have VIP Slay program, where when you text us Slayology to the number that is down below, you will be entering the VIP program where you get exclusive deals, where when we have our special sales, you get first notice also, but you will get an extra discount, especially when it comes to Free Ship Friday or the BOGO bundle sale. You get a different discount than people who are not enrolled in the VIP program, which is also a perk. Like, we want you guys to feel good about what you're wearing, and we want to help you as well. Lastly, we do offer Klarna, so you'll be able to split your payments up into 4 installments. Play now, pay later. Shop now, pay later. And with education, we will be teaching you how to take care of your hair as well, upkeep it. Even though it's a low maintenance style, protective style, you need to know how to take care of the hair so it can last years. Because baby, raw Vietnamese hair and our virgin hair lasts a long time when you take care of it. Now we've come to the part where I will be styling my hair. The edges are doing its thing. I want a layered look. Like, I want layered curls. I was gonna give myself some crimps, y'all, but it's not giving crimper. It's not giving crimper. Like, I just feel like a new girl every time I get my hair done. Like, y'all, we have a problem. I put this way too down, far down from my forehead, to the point it looks like I don't have no forehead. But the install is so good and I don't want to take it up at all. Like, if this was a glueless wig, I can just literally go under it, which this could be glueless because the wigs that I have in my collection, you can secure them with both of the bands and the strings. So I'm not gonna take it up because nah, I'm not gonna do that. This is what it is. I think I'm just gonna do a side part so it can just blend in, because I can do a side part to the point where it's
fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive. Don't worry about me and who I fight.